We remember at the round table. The circle becomes active and consciousness takes shared form. 12 positions surround the center and sustain a living geometry. Here a natural order is established, an alliance of perception that opens a new state of consciousness. The archetypes of being arrange themselves to recalibrate the origin of the Philosopher's Stone, the one that aligns mind, heart, and action to manifest heaven on earth. At the center of the circle, Excalibur defines the axis and marks the north. During this cycle, its form is expressed as chlorine. This is the substance we bring into order. The 17th particle of the Philosopher's Stone presents itself as a principle of transformation, ready to be observed and refined through the different perspectives offered by the Wheel of the 12. Today we share the point of view of Scorpio. The Throne of Scorpio opens the 8th position and directs our attention toward chlorine's capacity to destroy structures when its oxidizing power acts beyond its proper limits. From this seat, chlorine reveals that every transforming force possesses a threshold beyond which it no longer serves the process, and instead becomes a source of deterioration. Chlorine gas is a toxic and highly irritating oxidizing agent. Upon contact with moisture in the eyes, skin, or respiratory tract, it reacts to form corrosive and oxidizing substances that damage proteins, cell membranes, and tissues. Exposure may cause burning sensations, coughing, difficulty breathing, and inflammation. High concentrations can result in severe lung injury and the accumulation of fluid in the lungs. Because chlorine gas is denser than air, it may accumulate in low-lying areas, increasing the risk of exposure. Chlorine gas may also be released when products containing hypochlorite are mixed with acids. Household cleaning products can additionally generate chloramines and other toxic vapors when hypochlorite comes into contact with substances containing ammonia. For this reason, cleaning products should never be mixed except according to specific safety instructions. When observed from the Throne of Scorpio, chlorine reveals that a transformative force can destroy what it was meant to cleanse when it loses its limits, proportion, or context. The same oxidizing and disruptive capacity that allows it to eliminate microorganisms can also injure the very system it was intended to protect. Excalibur calibrates the particle when mind, emotion, and body align upon a single axis of conscious transformation. True transmutation does not consist of indiscriminate destruction, but of applying the necessary force within the limits that preserve the integrity of the system. A candle is lit before you as a reflection of the center. Its flame reveals the state of your inner transformation and accompanies the subtle calibration of the particle. As you hold your gaze upon it, intensity comes into order and the 8th face of the Philosopher's Stone is polished. Chlorine becomes transformative. The wheel continues its conscious turning. Thus, today we carry out this practice. Mind focus. Hold a single affirmation inwardly throughout the entire practice. I transform with the right amount of strength. Allow your mind to remain steady, conscious, and contained in this point. Emotion, cleansing with the candle. Place a lit candle before you. Observe it in silence for at least 3 complete breaths. Allow the flame to dissolve the emotions associated with excessive destruction, accumulated anger, the desire to punish, and the need to annihilate what has already fulfilled its purpose. Emotion comes into order through transformation. Action, integration into the body. Pour a glass of water. Hold the glass between your hands and say, I am transformed chlorine. Repeat it 3 times, with awareness. Drink the water slowly, integrating into your body the conscious transformation that preserves the integrity of the system. Alchemical seal. I am the new state of consciousness. Avra Kehdabra, I create as I speak.